I hope you guys get this video. My XRP content that I do talk XRP every day is kind of been on my nerves a little bit because I'm watching people talk about things within the world of Ripple and XRP that, quite frankly, are getting me a little bit upset. All right. And it's something that does make me upset because when XRP was trading under 50, 60 cents, and we were talking about kind of courtroom, day-to-day actions within that legal battle with the SEC, nobody was making XRP videos. There was no breaking news XRP. XRP is going to explode. XRP is going to the moon because of things that are happening within Ripple and XRP. And so, I don't know. Everybody in crypto is talking about XRP, so apologies to you guys that do look for my XRP content. The views aren't going out to you guys for some reason. Apparently, they give it to the big boys here on the platform, but that's how everything works. And I do feel relevant to talk to you guys about what's going actually down with the RLUSD because there's a lot of people putting some misleading information out there. And I want to kind of share with you guys my opinion. So before we get into it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe right down below. That's kind of where we got to get it going here, guys, because we are right in the thick of it, okay? And as we look into the crypto bubbles, I want to share with you guys kind of where the market's headed. On a day that only H-bar is really doing out of my bag, the only thing doing well, XRP as we currently stand, it's down relatively 4.4%, still kind of looking into it. We're going to pull up the trading view real quickly, and you're going to see kind of what happened yesterday as we zoom in, okay? I've had these kind of drawn for a couple weeks now, back into November, and this is okay. This is kind of where I'm happy and comfortable trading at, right? It's not nothing where if we drop below here, that's when I'm going to start worrying about it. But above these moving averages, guys, I'm very comfortable right here. If we do bust out above this, that's where a breakout may shortly ensue. But let's just celebrate this win that we've had basically since the early part of November as an XRP holder, okay? And forget about kind of all those doomsdays down there where we've been kind of breaking down micro moves within the charts and looking at subtle kind of movements that we can capitalize. XRP's not really been a crypto that I've swing traded for a profit. It's a hold for me. But this is a really good pattern that we're seeing within this consolidation as we look for XRP to make its next move. And this is kind of what I wanted to make this video for you guys. It has nothing to do with the RLUSD, okay? Think about it, right? All of a sudden, there's 200 stablecoin providers roughly in the world. They're going to just release one for Ripple, and then all of a sudden, boom, everybody's going to jump ship, shift all that liquidity, and then directly pump it into having an actual utility into XRP on day one. Come on, guys. This is not your first rodeo. It's a stable coin, right? Unless you were banking on some kind of supply shock where you had a huge increased demand for RLUSD for something worth as it was potentially valued more than $1 in which it is linked to. That's just asinine, okay? But I do think this was, people who came out with titles and really went down that narrative, oh my God, this is huge. The RLUSD is launching tomorrow for Ripple. Yeah, that's true. It is huge news, okay? But everybody out there saying that the RLUSD is going to, on December 17th, when we did make that announcement that Ripple is going to immediately pump to $3 to $5, and that's where we're going to ride off into the sunset. And then Ripple is going to be stupid enough to launch a stablecoin that's going to have the effect that's going to dump the XRP chart when everybody takes their profits. Not so fast, okay, guys? We've been there before. Right now, there's a ton of shorts and longs in the market battling it out. This is a little bit of, market manipulation to its finest, okay? But I'm very happy to see the XRP chart consolidate right at a point where we're at right now, okay? So let's see this continue throughout the year. Not financial advice. Obviously, there's going to be some tax kind of implications towards the end of 2024. It's harvesting season. We'll see what happens on that front. I'm shooting myself for not basically buying more XRP at $1.98. We flashed that with my trading indicator down low right about at this point right here. It didn't last long enough for me to get in, but that would have been a nice little gain that we had riding off into the new year, okay? But I want to share with you guys kind of this failure in terms of my X page. We're going to bring this up, okay? And it's a stable coin, guys. This is what I wanted to make this out to be. Okay, it's a stable coin. It's a stable coin. I'm going to say that till I'm blue in the face. This wasn't like we were launching some ecosystem meme coin endorsed by Ripple that's going to absolutely cause insane volumes. It's a stable coin, and it's day one on a day where, quite frankly, anybody in the know or knows anything about Ripple has banked on the RLUSD, so they've been investing in it. It's not like, Apple's going to come up with the brand new iPhone or the new MacBook Pro, and everybody's going to wait till launch day to buy Apple stock. It doesn't work that way. So that's kind of how I look at this. We got to execute some common sense on this one, and I'm trying to find this article here on X where, it's lost me. That's the only drawback of Twitter X, is that unless you pull something up on your screen, it kind of just will subside, okay? But you got to understand something. I'm still bullish on it, and I think this is something as we look into kind of the game-changing move. This is more so a longer-term effect on Ripple, right? Once the stablecoin gets up and running, once we trickle down and have this actually implemented, then I think that positive volume is going to really be a game changer, okay? But on day one, guys, let's just go easy with the Ripple XRP price predictions. We're going to hit $5. The world's going to explode on a stablecoin launch. I'm like shouting from the mountaintops, to temper kind of this launch expectations, because it's already been priced in. And unfortunately, my YouTube algorithm doesn't like my XRP stuff at the current moment in time. But anyways, I digress. Just kind of a little frustration because I had to answer a lot of personal friends and family members and whatnot, calling me, oh my gosh, you talk about XRP all the time. This is XRP. You're so into XRP. What are we doing with the stablecoin? Are we buying the stablecoin? I'm like, I just can't take it sometimes. But anyways, that's kind of where we're looking to some comments here. Andre Casterman, and I'll leave you guys with this because I do think it's relevant. Global head of corporate and trade markets at Swift, describing the RLUSD as a stablecoin game changer for cross-border payments. Now, 100% agree. Love it. Andre Casterman, you get a sticker for the day, okay? Now, if Andre Casterman sent out and said, the RLUSD is launching in December, XRP will see $5 before the end of 2024 due to the RLUSD, then Andre and I would have something to talk about. But I agree with this statement 100%. It is going to be a game changer. In turn, what we see happen with these payments, right? And it's funny because the way stablecoins are, they're basically dollar bills. They're basically some greenbacks. And when you talk about kind of what we're trying to do crypto for, it's just in some form or fashion, right? You're starting to flirt with the whole CBDC and just you're going right back to the same evils, right? But we'll see what happens. I think that there's a little bit more so possible centralization happening with Ripple than meets the eye. But if you want to replace some of the banking structures that are in place, that's going to be a very kind of necessary evil. But months of anticipation, you see it right here, months of anticipation. So do not be a fool. Understand that there's months of anticipation to anything game-changing potentially for a stock, a security, whatever. I can't talk about stuff and tell you what to buy or sell, but damn it, and it's not financial advice, but this is one that I just wish that somebody would just come out from the mountaintops and say, XRP will do great. This is a stable coin, guys, on day one in a very highly competitive market where what are we doing? I mean, unless something happens where we depeg, nobody's really running to the hills to buy USDT. Oh, I gotta go dump all my USDC to go buy USDT. I mean, let's just be real, okay? And I could expect this maybe months from now, but on day one, guys, on day one, all right? So all the posts that I'm getting and all the messages and comments, XRP's, are they going to fall? Are they going to drop below $2? What's going to happen to XRP? The stablecoin was a failure. That's what I have to, that's what I'm dealing with right now. And it's probably not you guys, but it's just a lot of people outside of YouTube that I have to talk to on a daily basis. So, I digress. Crypto's fun. Love it. Love talking to you guys about it. And we're going to keep doing it here on the channel. But I wanted to share with you guys my thoughts because I do believe RLUSD is a game changer. I've talked about that, and I have videos talking about that in depth. But in terms of day one expectations and where we're headed, you know, you got to kind of look into a lot of things even down the road, right? A crypto that doesn't necessarily have any room for value to go up, okay? We're talking about a lot of regulatory affairs, and, you know, it was delayed a day, and it's not listed on all the key exchanges. I mean, it's not like we're going to get into this thing early and it's going to shoot up to $5, $6, or, you know, I even heard some people talking about the RLUSD was going to go to $12. It's a stable coin, okay? I understand how it works with supply shock and all that, and, you know, it's just like you go to your, you know, some kind of craze with releases, you know, if you want to buy, you know, something stupid, even just some non-crypto stuff at your local Target or, you know, Walmart, Best Buy, whatever, just how they do those launches on iPhones or game systems, or even kind of those stupid Stanley Cups. And then, you know, the demand is increased. So what happens? Supply goes down, demand goes up, and that means the price is going to go up. So I'm not in a hurry to buy RLUSD because there's really no purpose to buying it right now because it's not implemented currently. So, unless you're just an XRP maxi and just wants to have some RLUSD chilling with no utility in their wallet when that capital could be used elsewhere, go for it. All right. So with that, I'll leave you guys. And if you are still watching me towards the end of this video, check out the channel sponsor down below within CoinW. Future Spot Exchange. There is a way to verify. Click that link. You go to a Telegram account, and you can join my private trading community out there on Telegram, brought to you by CoinW. All right. Good stuff. Appreciate you guys watching. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. And we'll see you all in the next video. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.